Dr. Raj Shekhar, one of the priceless gems of the Indian Administrative Services, is an institution in itself when it comes to serving the country with the right vision, mission and perspective. A man of dedication, commitment, hard work, patience and perseverance, Dr. Raj Shekhar brings to the table effective and efficient administrative skills matched with precision and timeliness of action. Born and brought up in Karnataka, he has been an avid learner from his early childhood days. Excellent in academics and extracurricular activities, it was but obvious for him to choose the most impactful way of serving his nation, the Indian Administrative Services or IAS. Dr. Raj Shekhar left home at the young age of 7 to live with his father's brother because the primary school in his village was not up to the mark and his parents didn't want to compromise on his education. Barely in his teens, in grade 6, he was further sent to the government-owned and run residential boarding school Navodaya. The seeds of self-dependence, independent attitude, courage, valor and service to mankind were sown here. He passed out with flying colors and went on to pursue animal husbandry. Post completing his medical degree, he was given a job in his district. But as fate would have it otherwise, he decided to pursue the tough course of Indian Civil Service Administration, and the rest is history. Dr. Raj Shekhar is a 2004 batch IAS officer appointed in the Uttar Pradesh cadre. From serving the country as DM in more than 10 districts, Dr. Raj Shekhar is known for his class-apart administrative skills. He is a true representation of India's culture and education from South India and works in North India. From the very day he joined, he started bringing transformation through his actions in whichever area of work he chose. He is one of those officers who believe in being on the field than among the files. You would constantly see him in the city right on the spot making the required change happening. There was a time when the city was known by his name. Lucknow means Raj Shekhar. From giving Lucknow its Ganjing festival to scaling Lucknow Mahotsav to new heights, Dr. Raj Shekhar is a man of vision and is all about serving his people and nation. People still remember his Lucknow Carnival concept. He left no stone unturned in beautifying the city and making life easy for local people. He was and still is remembered as the most loved and easily approachable DMs of Lucknow. His office is always open for the common public and he makes an effort to listen to their queries and concerns. He always understands the issues and finds probable solutions. Under his dynamic and able leadership, Mahakumbh was organized in Prayagraj, which created world history for being one of the most well-managed human gathering festivals with millions attending together. He organized the first ever Basti Mahotsav, thereby helping artisans to find sustainable selling options. A go-getter with his larger-than-life attitude, Raj Shekhar indeed believes in walking the talk through his actions. Under his regime, the UPSRTC scaled to new heights. From connecting it to more than 9,000 rural villages, it has concepts of water ATMs and various safety measures in place. He introduced the baby care cubicle at every bus station and even streamlined fuel automation. In 2013, while he was posted at Prayagraj, he showed exemplary courage and presence of mind in controlling the flood situations. He was on the ground straight for 10 hours to manage the flood situation. A man of integrity and intellect, Dr. Raj Shekhar has been creating headlines in all his postings and transfers by simply performing his tasks and streamlining every assignment given to him. He is not just an officer but a leader in the true sense in the word, who initiates, delegates, creates a system, transfers power and moves on. He is one of the most successful IAS officers of his times, with work happening not just in files and data but also at the ground level. No work escapes his prudence. He supervises every aspect of a project undergoing in his administration. Humble, down-to-earth, approachable, Dr. Rajshekhar is a man of substance, an avid nature, food and bike lover. He is a people's person and beautifully balances his personal and professional life. He believes that his wife and kids are his true asset. A quick learner, he is a few of those government officials who use social media to its full advantage. Currently serving Kanpur as a commissioner, the city is finally seeing its golden era. The look of the city is changing every day, and new developments and projects are taking place. If you happen to visit the city, you can spot Dr. Rajshekhar in action. An inspiration to many. He is not just an officer, but a youth icon and a role model to many. In our words, Dr. Rajshekhar is a true gem, an inspiring soul with a golden hand, doing good to mankind and has the caliber to lead his country and its people on a progressive path. We at Folk Tales Incorporation salute your passion for serving the nation.